This is a Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Look at it. Oh, what a beauty. This is a stunning piece of handcrafted magic. The price tag? Over $13 million. Expensive, right? Think about this. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook and one of the richest people on planet Earth, can afford to own over 7,690 of these. Impressive fact, he is only 36 years of age. And then there's you. You probably don't have much in savings, if any. You are working a low-income job right now. You tried after-hours, part-time jobs, but still, your expenses are insanely high. Becoming wealthy, getting rich, that dream car and mansion, that's all they are. Dreams. You only take vacation in your notebooks? I mean, your bucket list seems to never get accomplished. Life is very unfair, you tell yourself. The rich are greedy evil beings that take from the rest of our society. To cope with your situation, you turn to self-help gurus to get motivated, and all they tell you is,
I don't sleep when I'm tired, I sleep when I'm done.
They fluff around, they half commit. If you change, everything will change for you.
Hard work.
you wish your days would be longer so that you can work a bit harder than you do. Am I winning? You doubtfully wonder. I am a loser, you grasp. What a bummer. But wait, hold on just a second. You're not a loser, and you don't have to abandon your dreams just like that, unless you fail to understand the following. The secret all those self-made millionaires and billionaires use is quite simple. This secret is going to change your life forever. Moreover, it's quite easy. You have to simply change your attitude towards money and wealth. Unfortunately, this is not taught in conventional schools. Indeed, the society may first laugh at you when you start to apply this secret, but they will finally cheer for you once you succeed. Are you wondering what secret this is? Stay with me. Let me give you 3 ways of making money, and your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to decide which one you should use. Here's the first one. Sell pens for $1 each. If you want to make $1 million, all you have to do is to sell 1,000,000 pens. The second way, sell cars for $1,000 each. If you want to make $1 million, all you need to do is to sell 1,000 cars. And the last but not least, sell houses for $100,000 each. If you want to make $1 million, you need to sell 10 houses. Only 10 houses. Which way would you go? Do you know what most people choose? Obviously, to sell pens. This is because they think that the mere fact that pens are cheap, then everyone needs a pen. However, the idea that to make $1 million selling a pen will require you to sell 1,000,000 units is soul-crushing. It may take you years and years to sell 1,000,000 units of pens if your strategy is to sell them one by one. The sad thing is that our mind and society encourage us to make a quick buck. But what's wrong about making a quick buck? Keep this in mind. It takes the same amount of effort for selling a pen as it would for selling a house. The truth is that money is not the most precious thing you need to be chasing right now. I repeat it, stop chasing money. You're probably wondering right now, but wealth is about money, right? And that's somehow true. Contrary to what most people believe, time is far more precious than money. Think about this for a second. We all have the same amount of time each day, but we tend to use that amount differently. Most people choose the easy route of finding a job that pays them hourly. If your job pays you $50 an hour and you work 40 hours a week, it would take you 10 years to become a millionaire. And that would only be possible if you don't spend a dime, of course. We both know that this is only a theory, considering all those bills and taxes. This reads us to the core yet bitter truth. You are trapped in an endless, self-defeating, pointless, exhausting, repetitive lifestyle that leaves no time for relaxation or enjoyment, all in the pursuit of money that you will never have. Hang on though, don't lose hope yet. I'm going to tell you a secret that will help you get out of this rat race. Let's say you're making 20 grand a year right now. How can you triple or quadruple this earning of yours to slowly start getting out of the rat race? There is only one right way: to invest in yourself. But why? You're wondering. Because you're paid in proportion to your perceived value and the value of the work you're doing. For instance, if you are a janitor right now, you will never be paid as a chef, unless you become a chef. And if you are a preschool teacher, you will never earn the same amount of money as an engineer from a high-tech company, unless you become an engineer, right? This is where high-income skills come into play. What is a high-income skill? This is a skill that delivers value to the marketplace, which will let you charge a lot of money to deliver. This will enable you to work independently because the demand is sufficient to replace a job. You will have more financial security than the job you are working on right now, as you will be in control of your prices and your income. You will have more schedule flexibility and pick the time you will work. Unlike that asshole boss who always drives you crazy, you will choose which customer to work with. I know what you're thinking right now. These skills require some special certificate or university degrees. No, they don't, and acquiring them is almost free. The fact that you are watching this video right now proves that you are capable of learning a high-income skill. We live in a golden age when the internet democratized knowledge. Take YouTube for example. This platform is full of free crash courses on many subjects, all of them for free. All it takes you is a smart device and internet connectivity. Don't believe me yet? Look at this. How to become a real estate agent. Lead generation. Internet marketing. Copywriting. How to become a salesman. Software development. And the list is endless. All you have to do is to take your time and learn. But be aware. Do not trust everything on the internet. Choose your teachers wisely. You are going to meet some fake gurus along this journey. They will promise you some kind of magical knowledge that will make you rich overnight. Don't trust them. Do not throw your hard-earned money on those thieves. There's nothing they are going to teach you that you can't find for free. You don't believe this? Visit Kofzila's YouTube channel. Exposing fake gurus is this guy's mission. The moment you will be about to get all the knowledge you need to start making money with high-income skill, you will learn the techniques you will use to get your first customer. And believe me, the first couple of customers are the ones that are going to be hard to find. But once you find them and give them your best, they're definitely going to come back or even refer other customers to you. And the process will repeat endlessly. Now, your income has increased. You are swimming in all that sweet money coming your way. But you're not a millionaire yet? What are you going to do with all that money? Do you want to never worry about money again? Follow me carefully, because this is the part where you start building wealth. If you are to ask any financial expert on what to do with your money, he will tell you one thing: live within your means. And that's what most people would do. Increase their living standard, show off how rich they are becoming by moving into a new big house, buying their dream car, and start wearing their favorite designer clothes. They will do this with the help of their increased credit score due to their increase in income. This is called Parkinson's law. Parkinson's law states that your expenditures lies to meet your income. When you earn more money, your needs become more and you may end up spending more money. That's not what I would advise you to do today. I beg you, live below your means. I repeat it, live below your means. This is the time you remember your ultimate goal, to get out of the rat race, to become financially independent. Improve your living standard, but not that much. Make a budget, stick to it. Now, your aim must be saving. Create an emergency fund. This will be used in dire circumstances. Second, start paying off your debt. Third, create a runway. This is the part where you save 6 months to 1 year worth of expenses in your bank account. And third, start an investment fund. Wondering how to become a millionaire? This is how you become a millionaire. Now you're setting your money to work for you so that you will never worry about money again. You will choose between investing in the stock market or real estate, or doing both. Remember, thanks to our Mr. Uncle Internet who democratized knowledge, you can learn all this for free. If you choose stock market investing, you can start investing by using financial apps like Robinhood. Don't follow those get-rich-quick schemes out there though. Do not gamble on some penny stocks hoping to make a huge fortune out of them one day. Learn about 401k and Roth IRA. Have a long-term plan. Buy and hold. Want to invest in real estate? Learn how to use credit and your money as leverage. Learn how to use depreciation and amortization to pay less tax. And again, buy and hold. Don't flip. That's how you build wealth, baby. Congratulations! You've done what seems impossible for 98% of the world's population. You are out of the rat race now. You no longer worry about money now. You saved it, you invested it. It's working for you. What's next? Socrates once said, "The only true wisdom is knowing you know nothing." And life is very sweet with knowledge, and the best investment you can make is to invest in yourself. Keep going and never stop learning. As you agreed on investing, have a long-term strategy and learn how to control your emotions because, my friend, this journey of wealth building is full of ups and downs. Did you enjoy this video? Give it a thumbs up, write down a comment, and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn all the notifications on so that you don't miss any video from my channel. Didn't like it? Tell us why in the comment section. If you think this video can help a friend, don't forget to share it with him or her. Thank you for watching. Until next time, ciao ciao.